What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments, back with another video, man. Port strike, day one of the port strike. So if you guys were watching markets today, we had a little reaction to the port strike. The market was down almost 2%. The QQQ, the spot was down probably a percent, a little more than a percent. We had Nvidia down 4% at one point. They hit Palantir up. They had us down 3% at one point, and that's why I was watching that port strike yesterday. So how does this affect our stocks? Where do we go from here? So apparently, an update, the workers were offered a 50% pay raise and some limited automation. But D-boy going for the gusto for real. They not playing no games with the companies. They talking about they want 77% and no automation. I don't know how they gonna get no automation. I don't know why they're trying to fight technology. I get it, but I always tell people, that's like the equivalent of saying, hey man, me and my people, we represent the horse union, so we're not with these cars. That's what's going on right now. It's like saying, oh, we represent the phonograph union, we're not with the telephone. That's what's going on, and people don't realize it because this is the first time this is happening in a lot of people's lifetimes. But they're saying if this thing continues, we're gonna have some supply chain disruptions. Biden is in a serious catch-22 with this situation right now, so he doesn't know what to do. And the market sold off. It recovered a little bit. On top of that, we had Iran deciding to launch missiles at Israel, so we got a lot of little bearish catalysts in the wind. Now, how does that affect our stocks like Palantir? First thing I want to say is I want to salute Palantir because we have just been holding strong. We have just been holding so strong. When Peter Thiel sold $600 million worth, Alex Karp sold, the whole Palantir sold. Not most of their position, but they all took profits. The stock didn't even go down. If you guys know anything about trading stocks, that's not normal. That is a very bullish sign. That is a very bullish sign. And on top of this, it took the full-blown port strike and Iran launching missiles just to get us down 3%. And as of the time of recording this, we've already recovered to only down like 1.2%. So what I'm saying is we're going to keep watching this port strike. I did trade some puts on it if you guys are traders. I bought some yesterday. I made me like 115% or so. I should have held them. I could have made like 200% plus. But that's another story. If you are a investor or you're a swing trader, you're looking at stocks like Palantir, what we're going to do, we're going to keep watching this port strike and see if they can knock us down to any levels that would be beneficial for us to load up at. Like last time, before we went on this latest run, we was looking at like 29, 27. So I'd say we looking more like 30, 32 might be a good area to load up on, try and do something at. You know what I'm saying? Same thing with the other tech stocks. We got Cerebrus coming soon, the IPO. That's going to be a big deal. But for now, we're just going to watch this port strike. We're going to see who wins, the workers, the companies. We need to see, does the president get involved? And then we'll just go from there, man. We'll just go from there. But this is port strike, day one. Market was down. Stocks got hit up a little bit. It could get realer. They say if it takes 2 weeks or more, it could have serious repercussions on the consumer, on the economy. So, you know, we're going to stay up to date on that. But this was just a video talking about the port strike, talking about how it's affecting our stocks and where we could go from here. It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments. I'm going to be back in the next video. Talk to you guys soon.